If someone told you it's impossible to find a reliable car for under $5,000, they are either misinformed or trying to push you into an overpriced deal. The truth is, there are dependable vehicles that offer incredible value without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, commuter, or just need a second car, you don't have to settle for a rust bucket. We have rounded up budget-friendly cars that deliver impressive reliability, low maintenance costs, and surprising performance. Let's dive into the video. Number 12. 2003 to 2005 Honda Element. The Honda Element was a quirky yet brilliant design that's now a cult favorite. Powered by the ultra-reliable 2.4-liter K24 inline-4 engine, it came with both manual and automatic transmissions and optional all-wheel drive, great for light off-roading or adventurous road trips. Inside, the Element shines with spaciousness. The rear seats can fold completely flat or be removed, transforming the interior into a camper-style sleep space. The waterproof floors and easy-clean materials were clearly built with utility in mind. Number 11. 2003 to 2006 Toyota Matrix. Co-developed with General Motors, the Toyota Matrix is essentially a sportier, hatchback version of the Corolla. That's a good thing. It means incredible reliability and efficiency. The Matrix uses the same 1.8-liter engine as the Corolla, delivering 126 horsepower. Owners love the versatility of the rear hatch, full flat seats, and even a split-opening rear glass. Combine that with 25 miles per gallon in the city and 31 mph on the highway, and you have got a practical everyday car that's fun to drive. Number 10. 2002 to 2006 Lexus ES 330. Think luxury is out of reach? Think again. The Lexus ES 330 gives you a plush ride, premium interior, and legendary Toyota-built reliability. It runs on a 3.3-liter V6 engine producing 218 horsepower and offers a smooth, quiet drive. It's well insulated and packed with features like wood accents, leather upholstery, and great crash safety ratings. Sure, some models had dashboard or airflow sensor issues, but these are easy to identify and fix. Number 9. 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. Critics called this generation of Camry boring when it came out, but Toyota had the last laugh. 2 decades later, it's one of the most enduring sedans on the road. The 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine may not be a speed demon, but it's bulletproof in terms of durability. Choose from a 5-speed manual or automatic, and expect minimal maintenance headaches. While some models experienced oil leaks, a careful inspection before buying can help you avoid that issue entirely. Number 8. 2005 to 2007 Pontiac Vibe. Here's a hidden gem. The Pontiac Vibe is basically a Toyota Matrix wearing American clothes. Built in collaboration between GM and Toyota, the Vibe features Toyota's 1.8-liter engine and has stellar reliability. You'll find models with 5-speed manual transmissions that can deliver up to 36 mph on the highway. The ride is slightly louder than a typical sedan, but that's easily fixed by turning up the stereo. If you can get a clean 2007 model, you're in luck. It received an 86/100 reliability score from J.D. Power. Number 7. 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord. Widely considered one of the best Honda Accords ever built, the 7th generation model blends reliability, comfort, and performance. Choose between a zippy 2.4-liter inline-4 or a powerful 3.0-liter V6 that delivers 244 horsepower. It was one of the first mass-market cars to feature LED taillights, and its trunk space, solid safety features, and smooth handling make it a great commuter or family car. Despite newer models hitting the market, this Accord still scores higher in quality than many of its successors. Number 6. 2002 to 2007 Toyota Corolla. Dubbed the most reliable Corolla generation, these cars were made with quality and simplicity in mind. The 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine is incredibly fuel-efficient and robust, delivering up to 41 mph on the highway. Toyota also upgraded the suspension, improved the interior materials, and gave this version a more comfortable and roomier feel. Despite its modest power output, 126 horsepower, it drives better than you'd expect and can last well over 300,000 miles. Number 5. 2007 to 2008 Subaru Forester. Looking for an affordable all-wheel drive vehicle? The Subaru Forester is the king of budget off-roaders. With a 2.5-liter boxer engine and symmetrical auto-wheel drive, it can handle everything from city potholes to snowy mountain roads. Its 2008 model scores an 88/100 in reliability, making it one of the best-rated Subaru to date. Plus, it can tow up to 2,400 pounds, rare for a compact SUV. Ride handling could be sharper, but it's not built for speed, it's built for everything else. Number 4. 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3. Mazda's first-generation 3 is an underrated compact with lively handling and great fuel economy. Available as a sedan or hatchback, the Mazda 3 had several engine options, including a peppy 2.3-liter turbo. But be cautious, this turbo model tends to leak oil. The 1.6-liter and 2.0-liter engines are much more reliable and still give you solid performance. You can expect up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway and a fun driving experience every time you get behind the wheel. Stick with the gas models, the diesel versions weren't sold in the US. Number 3. 2009 to 2010 Mitsubishi Galant. Although not a standout in looks or power, the 9th-generation Mitsubishi Galant is one of the best bargains on the used market. With a 2.4-liter engine and front-wheel drive, it offers a smooth ride and surprisingly good fuel economy, up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. It was discontinued in 2012, which actually plays in your favor, as depreciation has made this dependable sedan extremely affordable. Many owners report better than expected mileage, even a decade later. Number 2. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Back when Ford introduced hybrid tech to sedans, the Fusion Hybrid emerged as one of the best options on the market. Combining a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor, it generates 192 total horsepower and achieves up to 41 miles per gallon in the city. Unlike many hybrids that felt underpowered, the Fusion offered a responsive and enjoyable drive. Though once considered overpriced, the Fusion Hybrid can now be found for less than $5,000, and it's more reliable than its non-hybrid siblings. Why choose it? Fuel efficiency, comfort, and tech in a stylish package. Number 1. 2010 to 2012 Lincoln MKZ. Want luxury without the luxury price tag? The Lincoln MKZ is your ticket. Equipped with a powerful 3.5-liter V6 producing 263 horsepower and 249 pound-foot of torque, this car offers performance on par with many modern luxury SUVs. It's packed with features: leather seats, wood-trimmed interiors, power sunroof, and advanced audio systems. With an 89/100 reliability rating from J.D. Power, it tops our list as the most reliable luxury car under $5,000. And there you have it. Got a hidden gem we missed? Drop it below. We love discovering underrated rides from real drivers like you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, great cars don't have to come with great big price tags. See you in the next one.